May 31st, 2017, I'm at the scene of the Fetterman Fight, Massacre, ambush, depends on how you want to look at it. Beautiful, just beautiful countryside out here today. See a little bit of the interstate. And this is where the battle took place, December 21st, 1866, between here and the far ridge down there. I'm going to show you the monument that was erected by the government. And it says, on this field on the 21st day of December 1866, 3 commissioned officers and 76 privates of the 18th U.S. Infantry and the 2nd U.S. Cavalry and 4 civilians under the command of Captain Brevet Lieutenant Colonel William J. Fetterman were killed by an overwhelming force of Sioux under the command of Red Cloud. There were no survivors. Well, that shows the conceit of the folks who posted that monument, because most of the Indians survived. Fetterman said if he had enough men, with 80 men, he could ride through the entire Sioux Nation. He was decoyed into coming through here, and a big chunk of the Sioux Nation was over the hills. Once he got over, surrounded, and his entire command was killed. That's what arrogance will do to you. Travels with Phil, back to you.